Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Snapchat filters on camera roll pictures. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So first, make sure the picture you want to edit is saved in your device's camera roll or gallery. Step 2. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Step 3. Swipe up or tap on the small icon on the left side of the screen to access your memories. From there, you can import pictures from your camera roll to Snapchat. Once the picture is loaded, you can swipe right or left to browse through the available filters. Tap on the filter to apply it to your picture. Now, after applying the filter, you can further edit the picture using Snapchat's editing tools, such as you can use the text tool, and you can also use the pencil icon, so you can draw anything else using your creative minds. You can also add stickers, and if you're using a video, you can use this scissors icon to cut the portions of the scenes of your video. You can also add music, and now you can also add lenses and also the wand that's for the filter, and also the eraser tool. You can also add links. You can crop your picture using this icon, and also you can customize the duration of your story if you wish. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap on the download or save button to save the edited picture to your camera roll. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.